Hi, Jeff here from InspectorPrime. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you an introduction to the CRM Interface, which is your central hub for managing your inspection business. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the dashboard that allows you to organize and manage your different CRM leads, so your employees, your agents that you work with, tracking referrals, maybe contractors that you work with, and a whole bunch of other capabilities. There will be separate tutorials that do a dive into each one of the topics that we'll see here, but in the meantime, let's go ahead and we will jump into the interface. Okay, so we find ourselves in the InspectorPrime Office database. Now to get to the CRM, we simply go over to the left, click on CRM. Like I mentioned a few seconds ago, we're not going to be diving into each one of these directories, but we are going to be looking at the CRM dashboard. Now what this dashboard does is it takes data from each one of the directories and presents it in a very clear, concise, easy to navigate manner so that you can just get a quick snapshot of how your business is doing, so that you can be informed on decisions you might be working through or any number of things. So this dashboard, you can configure it however you like to best meet your business needs. But again, it is really just a tool to get a snapshot of your entire CRM to pull the data out that's valuable to you to help you out the most. Again, this is a quick rundown of kind of how the CRM dashboard looks and what its intent is. I will see you all on the in-depth tutorials for each one of the directories, but thank you for watching and thanks for being an InspectorPrime customer.